This bitch didn't sell. Kenworth Canadiana, made in Canada. There's a babe on the friggin' side here. Bent. Beat the shit up. Right beside a Ford F800 diesel with a motherfucker on it. We're in Canada, what to expect? It's a dump truck, a small one. Right behind a roll-off, which I'll get pictures of after. Blue interior. Full of insulation for some reason. Probably has a 13-speed. Or 10, you never know. It's a W900, obviously. Cat 3406D. Cool. It's a good motor. Shitty ass truck. We're out here, Richard Brothers. We got Champion, Deer, Cat, and a Volvo. Go take pictures. It's pretty sweet. Freightliner 120 SD. Still floating long truck. Wide base Sears. That's a long hood, set back axle. This is where the grapple will sit when it's loaded. You can see right here and right here is where it sits. Dixonville, Alberta it's from. Has a chainsaw up there for some reason. The big pole up here. Climb up there and you sit up there. It's I don't know, it says model 1028 as a bowling jeep or a pole. It's just pretty much knuckles down like that. The grapple just sits on the back here and it's transported. No lighting bar system here. Sprung mud flat. Folding stakes. Air ride suspension. That's a pretty cool log loader. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Truck mounts very well. Probably apprentice or something. And got some pretty cool other ones here. Got lots of these here. And got this one here. Kenworth T800 with Hiob or Hiob, sorry. Picker. Tri-drive. Outriggers. So the back fifth wheel. I have a tandem picker truck here. Probably like 25 ton or something. That's pretty cool. Tiny. What I've seen. Another one is very same, and then a couple lumber trucks and all that. Lots of vacuum trucks here too. It's a Mack, that's a Kenworth, Tri-Drive Kenworth, and Tri-Drive Pete. Pretty sweet trucks.